Hello everybody, this is Tanya at Hummingbird Paintery, and this is a cutout that I made of a little bird, and I'm painting it a creamy color, the Waverly paint, and I am doing the creamy color parts, and then I'm going to use some brown and finish the rest of the bird out. It's kind of like a little sparrow, just a little brown and cream bird. And I'm painting all of that part. Now the top portion I'm gonna be doing with some leftover sock there that you see in front of that, and also some gingham fabric that I had, and I wanted to use the leftovers for that, so we're gonna use it for the hat and the scarf. So now I'm using a little bit of dark brown burnt umber paint to paint some of the areas just to give it some dimension. And I'm taking some of the brown to go in the creamy area. Now I'm painting the eyes black, of course. And then putting a little black line up underneath there and on top a little bit. Putting a little bit of black where the wings are so they show up a little bit better. Now I'm taking the sock piece and I'm wanting the red to go right at the face. So I'm trying to get it as close as I can, and I'm cutting part of that off. It's okay for a little bit of the white to show. Now I'm painting the back portion of the bird and the sides, the brown color, which is Nutmeg by Apple Barrel. And I'm finishing up that and the sides. I ended up taking some of it off because it was dripping. And I'm just finishing up. Now I'll just take some of the hot glue and finish out the edges there at the bottom. I cover up the top portion as well. Put some whites in the eyes to make it look more realistic. And I go ahead and cover the whole top there, and I'm going to get a little pom-pom to put it on the top. And I'm taking the orange that I have and some of the cream color to go in between to make it look more like a real beak. Then I'm trying to figure out how much of the leftover piece of material that I need, and I'm just gonna kind of pinch it in the middle. That way it looks more like a real scarf. And then I cut strips on the side. So I'm getting up to get a pom-pom, and I set it right there. And